to the pre-kinder Christmas celebration. We have been practicing for our Christmas carols since right after Thanksgiving. And we've been working hard on our Christmas surprise for you parents and working really hard. So these projects are from the heart, and so they're not secrets, they're what? Surprises. So I hope you enjoy the program. We have a game, we're going to play bingo, and we get prizes. And so we hope you enjoy this program. So let's get started. Thank you so much for all your support and your donations with the food. So let's get started. We have our first announcer. Please come up. First announcer. Okay, what song is? First song is?
First one is
The Little Drummer Boy.
The Little Drummer Boy.